In the last two videos, we have configured basic and key information for the controlling system. Here we are going to configure versions. The idea of a version is to have different plans in order to configure key elements that affect your costing. The idea is to have independent sets of planning data for actual data. Since we are on the easy access screen, we enter to a transaction SPRO and follow this path: controlling, general controlling, organization, and maintain versions. Here we have our main screen. We click on extra in order to set a controlling area. Here is an icon that is called the match code. If you click here, you can see all the controlling areas that are available, including ours. We click on UNMO and we select OK. We select the version 0 in order to create a configuration for this version. You can create an individual configuration for version 1, 2, and 3. In order to configure version 0, we select it and we double click on settings for each fiscal year. Again, we select our controlling area and our version. We select OK. And here we have all the years that are available. In new entries, when it comes the time, you can add 2020 to 21 and so on. For now, we're going to configure 2017. We double click this year, and here is our controlling area, our version, and our fiscal year. For planning, we are going to leave it as it is. Here, because we have our general indicator, version locked, we don't want it to be locked, integrated planning, and we want company to be allowed. The exchange rate is a standard translation for cost planning. The value date is going to be the first day of the year, and the things we're going to see here is the price calculation. We're going to select this indicator, and as we can see, this indicator controlling whether parallel prices are calculated and stored for the activity types as part of the price calculation. You can calculate prices separately for each version or fiscal year. It is important that this indicator is active in order for you can calculate the price wherever the costing is in the financials operation, because you may have costings for a lot of postings. The method we're going to choose is average price, since we are going to work with average and percentages. The method is periodic price, because we want to be each month, and revelation we're going to be on its own business transactions, since it's going to be automatic. Since we have already done these configurations, we have already configured our version 0. We save and we create a new transport. We're going to create and maintain versions for controlling. We select save and we are good to go.